Functions in Python: defining and calling. Functions are an important aspect of Python programming. They allow us to create a block of reusable code that can be called with different arguments, providing flexibility and modularity to the code. Here are some important concepts on functions. Defining function, we require a def keyword followed by function name and the parameters in parentheses. We use a colon to indicate the start of the function body, which should be indented. Example: diff greet name, print hello name, which will take name and print it. Calling function: once a function is defined, we can call it by using the function name followed by parentheses and any required argument. Greet John. We had a function greet and we are giving John as an input, so it will print hello John. Return statement. Function can return a value called return keyword. This allows us to use the result of a function in another part of our program. Example: def add a, b, return a plus b. So this function will take two parameters a and b and return their sum. So 3 and 5 as an input will return a. Default parameter values. In Python, we can define default values as well. If none of the parameters are passed, the default one will return. This means if function is called without a value for a particular parameter, the default value will be used instead. Example: def greet name equals to word, print hello name. If name is not given, it will return hello world. If name is given with something else like John in this case, it will return hello John. Variable length arguments. Python function can accept variable number of arguments as well using special syntax args and kwargs. The former allows us to pass any number of positional arguments, while the latter allows us to pass any number of keyword arguments. Example: def multiply args. So result equals to 1 if nothing is inserted. For args in args, return result star equals to args. That means it is multiplying everything. Multiply 2, 3, 4 will be 24. So these are the some of important concepts to cover while teaching functions in Python. It's important to emphasize the modularity and reusability that functions provide, as well as their flexibility in terms of accepting different types of arguments. Thank you.